Here's a new viral Mark Zuckerberg clip. I don't know how viral it is. He posted to his own Facebook, but there's something funny about his clips. I think the internet obviously recognizes such a thing because it always results in memes. Everything he does.
Yeah.
If it wasn't the smoked meats and then followed by the surfboard sunscreen.
Uh-huh.
And now we made it all the way to the spear throwing Mark Zuckerberg. Now, do you notice anything as you watch the video clip and you do not allow your eyes to scan anywhere else? Do you notice anything strange about that clip?
Anything strange?
As he throws this spear towards the target.
Well, he's wearing, are they headphones or are they ear protectors?
Yeah, that would be ear protectors, and you've nailed it. It was part of the headline. People thought it was very bizarre that he was protecting his hearing while throwing spears, not usually allowed experience.
Oh. But
the thing was,
are you sure they're not headphones?
No, because well, scroll down. He was messing with other weapons. But I don't think they're headphones. I don't know. The article says that it's ear protection. Yeah, wearing ear protectors. But there's another part which he said, I wanted to go for a hike, but you need a permit right now to go for a hike to limit the number of people. Uh-huh. And he said they were all out of hiking permits, but they had plenty of hunting permits. So I got one of those. But then he's messing around with like spears and bow and arrow and stuff like this. So I'm assuming that there was a whole set of weaponry here, including some things that were loud, which is why it seems like he may have skipped the gun portion. Oh. I'm guessing. I don't know. Sensitivity or something. That's nothing but speculation right there. Huh. But either way, he never ceases to surprise us with what he's up to and how he executes his activities here.
Yeah, good form though, I guess.
You're happy about the spear throwing?
Yeah, he's having fun.
Somebody in the chat says that those are not ear protectors; they're prototype Facebook headphones.
Oh, okay. Well, that solves it.
He's joking.
Yeah.
He also says Zuckerberg must be an alien for sure. I'm not convinced. But it's possible. Anything is possible in this life.
The Star Trek Data variant.
It is. Isn't it strange, though, that he updates, he's the CEO of Facebook. This is, I don't know.
What, you think this is a bad look?
It's just a funny update.
Yeah.
It's a funny update.
Yeah. Well, he's having fun, as humans do.
That's always the thing.
You know?
That's always the thing. It was the same with the smoked meats clip.
Yeah.
It's like, is he having fun or is he showing himself having fun? I know how to have fun. Anyway, shout out Zuckerberg. I hope you're actually having fun. Uh-huh. And you know what? Shoot a bow and arrow and throw a spear and all that. I want to do that.
Yeah,
I'll go to Hawaii. I'll go to Hawaii and do that. Apparently he's got a house in Hawaii. I don't know whether this was in Hawaii or not. Yeah. Apparently he's got a place over there. That wouldn't be bad either.